Okay, so a hammer is going 9.44 kilogram hammer is going 9.6 meters per second. It horizontally. It strikes a nail driving at 2.7 millimeters, so that many meters into the wall. What force did it exert on the nail? Okay, so here's our hammer. If I had a hammer, it's moving, and here's the wall. Okay, that's our before picture, right? And then afterwards, the hammer has been, here's our wall, here's our nail. The hammer has been brought to a rest. I was studying to be a mime, but then I doing pretty well, but then I hit a wall. Okay, so the hammer stops moving, and we've now pushed this thing into the wall, right? And so the things we can know force times distance, mgh, 1/2 mv squared. Okay, notice that we're moving horizontally here. So mgh is not a factor. We're not increasing or decreasing the height. So this won't be a factor either on the left side or the right side. There's no mention of a force that speeds this up, but the hammer is moving to begin with. So I think in this first picture, we've got 1/2 mv squared. Okay. And then over here, there is a mention of a force that slows it down, right? And it's not moving, so there is no 1/2 mv squared. So on this side, it's just force times distance, right? So that's what a hammer is, right? You speed the hammer up over a large distance, it drives the nail in a short distance. So it's basically a force multiplier is what it is. Okay, so let's figure this out. So 1/2 0.440 times 9.6 squared is some force times a tiny, tiny distance, 0.0027 meters, right? Which is 2.7 millimeters. You just move it over three places. 1, 2, 3, 0, 0, right? 0.00. Or you take your calculator and divide by 2. Or you can type 2.7 times 10 to the minus 3 on your calculator. Use scientific notation. All right, so I'm going to take this left side here. So 0.5 times 0.44 times 9.6 squared. That's 20.2752 is equal to some force that we don't know times a tiny distance, 0.0027. So I'm going to divide this by 0.0027. Wow, that's a lot of force. Superman doesn't use a hammer, right? 7.5. Superman just picks the nails up and just pokes them in like push pins, right? Okay, newtons. Is that right? Yeah, that's right. That's the answer on the side. Yeah.